Welcome to a new episode here at Gearhead Man. I am Mark, your host, with the bat signal lighting up the night sky, alerting us all to the latest episode is going to be on the Hot Wheels Batmobile Collection 5-car set. So if you have all your cool bat toys and gear, let's get started. Hot Wheels launches highly anticipated Batmobile 5-car collection. Hot Wheels has thrilled collectors and Batman fans alike with the release of its new Batmobile Collection 5-car set. This eagerly awaited set brings together some of the most iconic versions of Batman's legendary vehicle, each recreated in stunning detail and designed to capture the imagination of both longtime enthusiasts and new fans. A tribute to the Caped Crusader's signature ride for generations, Batman's Batmobile has been as much a star as the hero himself. Featuring in comics, TV shows, and blockbuster movies, Hot Wheels' latest collection celebrates this legacy with 5 distinct Batmobiles, each representing a different era in Batman history. From the sleek lines of the classic 1966 TV series to the armored might of recent cinematic versions, the new set offers a comprehensive look at the evolution of the Dark Knight's wheels. What's included in the set? The classic TV series Batmobile 1966. With its red pinstripes and bubble windshields, this car echoed the fun and flamboyance of Batman's earliest TV adventures. The Tim Burton movie Batmobile 1989. Sleek and armored, this version was all about Gothic style and muscle, perfect for brooding nights in Gotham. Batman Forever Batmobile 1995. The ultimate skeletal speed machine. The Batman Forever Batmobile, with its massive split fins and glowing neon lines, is pure 90s automotive aggression. The Tumbler, 2005. Built like a tank, this Batmobile was ready for any high-speed chase or daring stunt, reflecting the gritty realism of modern Gotham. The Matt Reeves movie Batmobile, 2022. Forget the gadgets. This is a true muscle car with a V8 heart and zero apologies. The 22 Batmobile brings the raw, stripped-down power back to Gotham. Detailed craftsmanship and collector appeal. Each car in the set is crafted with Hot Wheels' signature attention to detail, featuring authentic paint jobs, intricate sculpting, and custom wheels. The collection comes packaged in a special edition box, making it an ideal gift for collectors or Batman aficionados seeking to showcase a piece of pop culture history. Where to find the Batmobile Collection? The Hot Wheels Batmobile Collection 5-car set is now available at major retailers, online stores, and specialty toy shops. With the popularity of Batman and the enduring appeal of Hot Wheels, early reports suggest the set is flying off shelves quickly. Fans are encouraged to act fast to secure their piece of Bat history. Whether you're a lifelong Batman follower or a die-cast car enthusiast, the Hot Wheels Batmobile 5-car set is a must-have addition to your collection, bringing the thrill of Gotham streets straight to your display shelf. Well, that brings an end to this episode. All I need now is a full-size Batmobile. I guess I can build one. I do have lots of cardboard and duct tape. That should work. Check back next week to see what happened. Let me know what you thought about this episode, and if you loved it, give it a like, share, and subscribe. We will see you next episode. Same bat time, same bat channel. Be safe, everyone.